So this is how you unbox and set up the HP OfficeJet Pro 8130 printer series. We have shown you the unboxing, the installation of paper as well as ink cartridges, printing and scanning the alignment page, as well as downloading and installing the HP Smart App. Introducing the HP OfficeJet Pro 8130 printer series. This model comes with print, scan, copy and fax. So let's unbox this and we'll show you how to set this up using your Windows computer. Cut open the box and this is what you will see. First, you've got the ink cartridges, 4 colors. At the side, you've got the power cable. You've got the quick start guide, and here's the instruction on how to remove the printer. So it's got a quick start guide, an instant ink flyer and a reference guide. Let's lay the box on its side so that we can remove the printer. Use the handle and remove the printer. Now there's a piece of white plastic over here that you need to remove from the carriage. On the input tray, remove the piece of cardboard. Following the startup guide, we are to plug in the power cords and power on the printer. Let's do that. You'll notice that once you turn on the power at the wall socket, the printer will power on. Once the printer has powered up, you need to select the language. For the country and region, we'll select United States. We need to go to the setup website. And this is the similar instruction on the quick start guide. Following the quick start guide, you'll need to go to this URL. Let's start the setup. We have power on and turned on the printer and selected the language and country or region. Go to next. Let's load paper. Open the input tray. Take a stack of paper and load into the input tray. Use the paper guides. Close the input tray. The paper is loaded. Go to next. Let's install ink. Open the front door and lift up the ink access door. With the ink cartridges, you need to remove them from its packaging. So this is the black. Remove this by twisting it as shown. Load in the black ink cartridge. Press down to snap the ink cartridge in place. Repeat for the rest of the ink cartridges. Once the ink cartridges are installed, close the ink access door and the front door. The inks are installed. Alignment is needed, so let's align the cartridges. On the computer, let's select Next to complete the alignment. We need to place the alignment page on the scanner glass and then touch Scan. Let's do that. Place the alignment page as shown. Align it to the top left hand corner. Let's scan. Printhead has been aligned successfully. On a computer, let's go to Next. So we need to install the HP Smart. Let's do that. We need to go to the Microsoft Store. Let's get HP Smart. Once HP Smart is downloaded and installed, let's open. We'll accept all. Let's add printer. It has found our printer. Select that. Let's continue. We need to key in the password for our Wi-Fi network. Once the Wi-Fi password is keyed in, let's connect. We need to touch the check mark on our printer display. Let's allow. The printer is connected to Wi-Fi. Let's continue. For connected printing services, let's accept all. So we have installed the ink and paper. Let's continue setup. For printer updates, we'll select Auto Update. Let's apply. We'll skip sending the link. The setup is complete. Let's print. So this is the first printout from your HP OfficeJet Pro 8135E printer. So this is how you unbox and set up the HP OfficeJet Pro 8130 printer series. We have shown you the unboxing, the installation of paper as well as ink cartridges, printing and scanning the alignment page, as well as downloading and installing the HP Smart App.